Hello! Welcome back to Easy English. Today, we will practice some common sentence patterns. Our first phrase is, I don't think. This phrase expresses doubt or disagreement. Examples. I don't think it will rain today. I don't think she's coming to the party. I don't think that studying all night is a good idea, because it can lead to fatigue and decreased focus. I don't think we should go to the beach, especially since the weather forecast predicts strong winds and high waves. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. Our next phrase is, aren't you? This phrase asks a question to confirm or challenge a belief or expectation. Examples. Aren't you hungry? Aren't you tired? Aren't you the one who said you'd help me with the project? Aren't you surprised that she quit her job so suddenly? Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. Our next phrase is, I wonder why. This phrase expresses curiosity or confusion about a situation. Examples. I wonder why she's late. I wonder why he didn't call. I wonder why they chose to move to such a remote location, especially considering the lack of job opportunities there. I wonder why she's so upset, even though I thought I'd apologize sincerely. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. Our last phrase is, why do I have to? This phrase expresses frustration or annoyance about a perceived obligation. Examples. Why do I have to do the dishes? Why do I have to wake up early? Why do I have to attend this boring meeting, especially when I have so much important work to do? Why do I have to always be the one to compromise, even when I'm right? Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning tips and lessons. See you in the next one.